How to auto scroll on Instagram Reels. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we'll guide you through on how we can auto scroll on Instagram Reels. But before that, don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe icon, and also turn on the notification bell to get updated about our latest videos. So in order to auto scroll on Instagram, launch your Instagram application and you may directly head over to your Reel section. So you may just head over to the Reel section. So we can find different reels here which you may want to auto scroll and not use your hand like we usually do on TikTok. TikTok has that option where we can auto scroll. So what you can do is simply head over to your profile at the bottom right, and then you may just go ahead and tap on the menu bar at the top right. After that, you're just going to scroll down a bit until you're able to find the help section. So what you're going to do is report a problem to the Instagram, because unfortunately Instagram hasn't provided us a feature till now where we can auto scroll to the Instagram Reels. So we don't have that option available. So maybe in the future we will be having that. So we don't have that feature available right now, but maybe in the future they will add that feature. So you may just go ahead and report a problem. For now, just go ahead and report a problem. You may just report problem without shaking if you want, and you may just continue with the process of reporting problem on how you normally do, and that should do it. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.